bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Okay, we're gonna make a really cute, simple embellishment for our Halloween series. Very simple, very easy. What you need are 3 circles. So what I did here was I used my punch. I did 2 big circles and I did 1 small circle. That's all I did. Here we have it. See? 2 big ones and 1 small one, and some extra paper if you want to use paper, or if you want to use some ribbon, then extra ribbon, whichever you want. Okay, let's get started. This is simple. Find a sticker that you want to use for this project. I know you have tons of stickers that you know you love but you don't want to get rid of, right? I feel you. I feel the same way. But we must get rid of these stickers. So find a cute sticker that you like. I love these stickers. I bought these at AC Moore. I think these are so cute. These mummies are just adorable with the googly eyes. I love them. So here I have a finished two finished embellishments that we're going to create. You see how cute these are? This one is done with ribbon and this one is done with paper. So simple. Okay, very good, my loves. Okay, let's put this belly together. So what you need is, of course, double-sided foam tape. So let's tape these down. We're going to tape the 2 bigger circle together. Decide which one you want first. I want my solid color to be first, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer my solid color with this lovely black and orange and purple color paper. Okay, so I'm going to add some dimensions in the back of my circle, and I'm going to layer, and I'm going to kind of put it off so that you can see this one. Okay, if I put it like this, you're not going to be able to see the back, but if you move it over a little bit, you'll be able to see it peeking out a little bit. Okay, and that's what you want. So you want it to peek out a little like that. You see that? And then we're going to add in the center of this one the smaller circle. We're also going to be adding dimensions to that as well. And that's going to go right there in the center. See that? Right there in the center. Now, the next thing is we're going to add our little sticker to the center of our circle. So we're going to add our little beautiful mummy right there. He's so cute. Gorgeous. Beautiful. And you should get something like this. This cute mummy with the googly eyes. Okay? I mean, very simple. This is super, super simple. This is intended to make these embellishments in like less than 5 minutes when you are rushing and you have something to do but you don't know what to do. Boom. This is a perfect, perfect, perfect project. Okay. The last thing we're going to do, and we're going to finish it off, is by using or adding like little flags to our little button. Okay. I have here these extra scrap of paper. You're going to add these to the to your embellishment if you want. Now with this one I added ribbon. See that? So I added ribbon in the side. With this one I added the 2 little flags. So you decide whatever you want to do. Okay, it's up to you. I'm going to use paper just because. No reason at all. And I'm going to create a little flag. There's one flag. There's another flag. I'm going to add these flags together just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. Just a little bit, not too much, just a tab. Just to adhere these together. Just like that. And I'm going to add this to the back of my embellishment, and then we're done. How simple was that? And we're done. See that? This is so cute. See that? How simple was that, and how adorable was this? Now, if you want to go, and you can also add ribbon if you want. You know what? What time is it? Oh my gosh, we have tons of time left. Let's add some ribbon. I'm gonna show you. You can also add some ribbon on top of the flag that we put there. We can also add ribbon. So let's put this let's add this Happy Halloween ribbon. Happy Halloween. Okay, let's see here. Let's make this a little bit more straight. And let's make this a little bit more straight. And we can add this right over in this direction down here. Or even at the bottom. I think this direction is better. We can also add it like this if we want, so the Happy Halloween can show completely. See that? You can also, if you want to add maybe this Happy Halloween to the backing of a paper, and then add this paper right there, we can do that too. That's another option. See that? It is up to you guys. It is up to you. I think what I want to do is I want to add my trim like this, and I'm going to tuck it in there, okay? That's what I'm going to do. But again, you can do whatever you want to do. It is up to you. There you go. Just like that. And then I'm going to add this. I'm going to tuck this in here. And I'm going to make that a cute little button, just like that. You see that? How cute is that, right? All right. So I'm going to cut this, because if it's, you're not going to really see this, because I'm going to tuck this in really, really well in there. So let's trim it a little bit more. There you go. Add a little bit of hot glue to the back. Tuck this in here. Use your scissors to make sure you tuck it in well. And there you go. Perfect. And now you have yourself a really, really fun embellishment. You see how cute that looks? And this says Happy Halloween. How cute! I love it. This one is just with the little paper flag. And then this one is with ribbon on both ends. So to be honest with you, you can make this however you want. It is really up to you. Okay, lovely friend of mine. It's simple, easy, quick, and just adorable. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy me watching this cute, adorable little embellishment. Okay guys, I'm going to be doing some more awesome projects for you. I hope you're enjoying my Halloween series so far. Make sure you give me your thumbs up. Make sure you let me know what you guys think about these projects. Comment at the bottom of this video. If you want to see more of these really easy tutorials, I have a playlist from last year, and we are going to create many more. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I will see you on my next video. Lots of love, hugs, and thanks. Bye, honey bunnies.